Maestro, take it away, please.
Alright, today, next video, I guess, we're gonna get the mounts in, the motor mounts. Got a mock-up motor. Old classic I had a long time ago, little motor mount, found Amazon, it'll do the trick. Battery tray, Amazon, special. And again, the Nitro Wrestler with the transmission. Let's run it. So let's go ahead and put these in here. I pre-drilled these holes already. I had them already. So I'm just gonna get this lined up. Let's see how this works. So I would show you, but I have tons of holes in here from different projects and different things. It's an old car. Yeah. So like I said, we're making this from scratch. Just taking what we got. Got two in there, so you can see it. You can see it from that angle. Boom, two screws in there. Boom, boom. So from here, before we do this, we're gonna get some permanent thread lock or whatever. Let's see. So we're gonna look under here, look under clearance, what we got. It's not the flattest edge, but it'll do. We should have some clearance. Rectangle. So I'm not gonna need no shims for that. Let's go ahead, pull out the old tray of. Hopefully I got some shit for it. Okay, for now. So we 3 in. We need to put a 4th one in to stabilize it. But for now, perfect amount for us to get everything locked into place. So we don't lose that nut we found. We're gonna put that. Can't see it because these screws are tiny. Yeah, this is what I'm dealing with. Yep. So can you help a brother out? Yes. Thank you. All right. See, I knew you had to get up. I saw it in your soul that you had it to get up, so you wanted to help me in this tight situation. And I can only thank you and encourage more of your great graces upon me. Please allow me to show how thankful I am by continuing what I was doing. farm, so it's already pre-lined up for me. This is just drilling it together. It's almost like a pre-made kit in my head. Hot sauce. Boom, look where we at now. Battery mounts in. Motors put it in. Might have to, as I'm seeing with this motor mount, it only has these two holes in it. Great slide right here to move up and down, adjust. Problem, no slide adjust on the side where the screws go. So gonna have to adjust that. Probably have to drill this upwards or downwards. Just make it so it can slide up and down to wherever I see fit for where the gear is gonna sit in the sides. I can adjust it this way, slide up, slide down. However the motor, when it gets here, will be. So when it gets to that point, we'll get to that point. But until then, this will do, because we can't put the gear on until we get the motor to line it up and get it permanently put down in here. Motor mount's good. Just saw an error, but we're gonna go back and fix that off camera. Forgot to put the straps in, but it's not needed right now. But right now we're good. And there we go. Mock up, motor mount, transmission on the chassis with the battery mount. Next, gonna be putting the front end on. What else is front end? So now it's time for the front end. Boom, that's gonna go there. Boom. 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 I have to fix that angle some, but that's pretty much perfect where I want it. To the next video.